So now we're going to move on to our space alien. I've chosen a specific one that I'm going to show you how to draw here, and then I'll give you some tips on how you can make your own. The one that I've chosen is to try and give some similarity to the astronaut itself. So it's got a similar body shape, and as you'll see, the creature's eye kind of almost looks a bit like the spaceman's helmet. So this is a nice trick when you're making a comic, is to have characters kind of look a little bit like each other. So this is actually really straightforward. We start off same again, nice big circle, and this is for the alien's eye. So that's for the white of the eye, and then we're going to put a pupil inside there, and again, as we did before, we're going to add in a little highlight just so that we can see the light shining on the eye. You can colour this in, and I'll fill that in later. And then we're going to do like a couple of lines here which will be the folds. So for us that would be the eyelids above and below the eye, but we're going to put these at the sides for the space alien because he's very different from us. So for the body, we're just going to draw a nice easy shape like this. And effectively this alien is just a big head, big eye, and some tentacles for legs. So we're going to add in the tentacles just now. You do one at each side, and they just look like this. And then we're going to draw one as if it's coming out from the front. It looks like this. And then we're just going to add in some little lines here, and this would be where the tentacles meet the ground. And that's a really, really simple space alien. Now, the great thing about aliens is you can make whatever you want. So one of the simplest things to do to come up with new types of aliens is to add more eyes, add more legs, add more arms. So let's have a wee quick look at that. So let's say that we started off with a smaller head this time, but this time we're going to give it a face. So we'll add in a mouth here. Instead of putting the eyes on the face here, we're going to add eye stalks. So that's eyes that sort of protrude out from his head. And we're going to add these here for the eyeballs. And then in there, you just add in the eyes. And give him wavy arms. Tentacles again. And we'll add in a body. And I think we'll give him 4 legs. And again, like we did with the other alien and the astronaut, we're keeping it nice and simple. There's no knees, there's no elbows, nothing that's really difficult to draw. We don't bother about toes and things like that, although you can add those in if you want, it's up to you. We could even put suckers at the bottom here for his tentacles. And then we've got a completely different kind of space alien. So play around with this. There's as many space aliens as your imagination can come up with. Just try playing around with different types of arms, legs, numbers of eyes, features on the face, and if you really want to give yourself some inspiration, then it can be a good idea to look at animals and just take bits and pieces and put them all together. You can see here the tentacles that he's got for his arms would obviously come from an octopus, and our previous alien looks a little bit like an octopus. So use bits and pieces of animals, you can mix and match that and come up with some really cool new ideas.